Hello my two family, welcome back to my new another vlog video. So friend, today I am going to Chandankari because one of my friend mobile has been broken and it is damage of mobile display is damaged. So now I am going to nearby him and show you who is my friend. So friend, as I am going to show you, he is my friend. His mobile has been broken. Sanjay, दिखा मोबाइल दिखा मोबाइल 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 प्लास्टिक पे कोई दिखा दिखा ना So friend, you can see here this mobile is broken. So friend, now we are going to sit into the bike. Here is one of my friend standing. So finally we have seated on the bike. Now we are ready to go to the mobile repairing shop. So friends, we have reached to the main road. Now we will cross the road. So friend, here you can see the crowd of the students, those who are going to give their 11th board exam. So guys, we have now reached to the Chandankari mode. We are going to show you the area. You can see here. Guys, finally we have reached to the mobile shop for repairing. You can see here. So friend, we have to wait for the technician boy. He is not in the shop, so we have to wait. So this is the video. My friend are waiting there. You can watch there. So friends, as you can see here, my friend phone condition. What is that? The whole his display is broken, and so we are waiting here for the technician boy. One of his helper boy is present, and you can see here the stickers of mobile. If you anybody would like to take some stickers, then come here to this shop. You can watch here the whole requirements of the mobiles of the parts are kept here. So finally guys, the mobile boy repairer has arrived. I am going to show you. So the technician boy has arrived. You can see here. So finally you can see here my friend phone is on the process. You can see here how the technician boy is working on it. Friend, as you can see that many customer has arrived into his shop. They are there. Now I am going to ask him how much time will take to repair our mobile. तो रोहित भैया, हम लोग का मोबाइल बनाने में कितना लेट लगेगा? आधा घंटे में. So friend, after asking the technician boy that how much the time will take, he said that it will take half an hour to repair the mobile. So friend, the technician boy has put the new display. He is checking out it is working or not. So as you can see here, the technician boy is putting the glue. How he is putting the glue, and all the parts he'll put by one. So my viewers, you can see here the technician boy is putting the small parts of the mobile by one. You can see here carefully he is putting all the parts. So friends, as you can see here, finally our mobile has been repaired after half an hour. You can watch this. All condition is okay. So finally guys, our repairing is over. You can see here we have got one also gift. So anybody wants to come to repair their phone, then you can come here to repair your phone. Now guys, we are going to home. We have completed our mobile repairing. Guys, now we are going to have fast food. You can watch this fast food shop. So we'll have some fast food and we'll go to home. So friend, I'm going to show you the look of this shop. You can see here there's kept the sweets, and this sides the biscuits and namkins are kept here. So me and my friend is waiting for the fast food. So when we'll get, you can see there the boy of this shop is preparing the fast food for us. So we have to wait when we will complete and be prepared, and when we will bring. So friends, finally you can see here the boy is coming with the preparation of our fast food. You can see here these samosas and curry of chanas. You can see here. So we'll enjoy it, how it's going to be taste. So please keep this watching this video. So friend, the samosas and the cholas are very tasty. If anybody wants to come here to taste the samosas and cholas, then come to this shop and enjoy the samosas and cholas. So friends, after having our fast food, we are on the way to back to our home. So friends, finally I have reached to my home after repairing the mobile. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe the channel and keep supporting me. Till then, bye.